So now we will go with the control 4. What is the topic? Membership operators. Okay, membership operators. Okay, membership operators. So in these membership operators, there are mainly two types. Okay, there are mainly two types. One is, okay, just a second. One is in. Okay, the second one is not in. Okay, one is in and the second one is not in. Okay, if we go for first one, in. Okay, in operator. In operator, what it will do? It will return. Okay, it will return. It will return true. True if the keyword, okay, keyword or sequence, okay, sequence sequence matches with the, okay, matches with the specified specified string. Okay, specified string or value. Okay, specified string value in, okay, is in present object. Okay, present object. So I will show you example so that you will understand very easily. Suppose I am taking one list called a list one. Okay, list called a list one. List one is equal to apple. Okay, and orange, orange. Okay, next banana, banana. Okay, next how to use a screen in operator. So I'm taking as a banana. Okay, banana in list one. Okay, list one. What we are telling is it will return true. Okay, it will return true if keyword or sequence. Okay, if matches with a specified object. Okay, specified object, inside that if it is matching with a string or value, then it will show true. Okay, so now what I am doing here, I am taking it like a one list. Okay, I am taking one list. Inside that list I am taking banana. Okay, banana is there in the list or not? Okay, like a simple, we will go with the membership operator, something like a, you are a member of something like a cricket. Okay, cricket, it is in a general term, like a, you are a member in particular team, something like a Sevak team. So are you member of the particular Sevak team? Then how you will answer? You will answer like a, yes, I am a member of that particular thing. So like that, here what we are checking, like a banana is member or not. Okay, banana is member or not. In that case we are checking like a banana in list one. Okay, banana in list one. Now observe the output. True. Yeah, true. Okay, true. Why? Because banana is already exist in the particular list. So we are asking banana is in the list or not. Now I'm going with one more example. Print mango. Grapes, mangoes also fine. Anything you can take. Mangoes, mangoes in list one. Okay, mangoes not there in this particular list. So we are asking mangoes are in that particular list or not. So it is not the member of this particular list. So it will return. Okay, here I not wrote, right? Okay, so it is, okay. It is not a member member, then it will return false. Okay, it will return false. Now observe the output, false. Got it? So, so like this, we will check with the in operator. Okay, in operator is a membership operator. The particular object or particular sequence or particular keyword. Okay, whatever you want. Okay, this is not a keyword, or we will take it as a word. Okay, word or sequence. Okay, not keyword. Keywords are something like a in. Okay, and list, tuple. These are keywords. Okay, I will take it as a general word. No. Anyone having any doubt in this? No, right? Okay. Then we will go with the
Yes.
not in. Okay. Not in.
Yes.
It is a reverse for this particular in operator. Okay. In operator. Now how it will behave? It will return. Okay. It will return. It will return. It will return true. True. If the word or sequence sequence mm, okay, not matches. Okay, not matches, then it will return, it will return true. Okay, anyway, we are writing it will return not matches, then it will return, okay, true. Okay, if it is matches, if it matches, then return false. Okay, in this case, if that is matches, then it will return true. Okay, if not matches, then it will return false. Okay, this is little different. If it is not matches, it will return true. If it matches, it will return false. Okay, it will return false. So I am taking same example. Control C. Okay, Control C. If you are getting little in front keywords, then the shortcut is a shift tab to get a alignment. Okay, this is alignment is done. Use a shift tab to align. Now next, here list one I am taking apple, orange, banana, and now I am taking not in. Okay, not in. Okay, now actually banana is the member of list one, but what we are saying it is not a member. Okay, not a member. So false. Okay, why? Because it is already member. We are telling like it is not a member. Now for this one, not in.
Not in the true or which.
Yes, it is a little reverse for this one, in and not in. Okay,
If the
if it is
banana is
already
not
member, okay, if it is already member, then it will print false. Okay, if it is not a member, it will print true.
the banana is not in this one and the true or
Yes, banana is a member, right? We are
banana is not.
telling not in a member. Okay, not in,
Mm.
but it is there, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Okay.
Got it? Having doubt? Okay. The next term. Okay, control yes. What is this? Index 3 operators, membership operator. Next, bitwise operator. Before bitwise operators. first one, anyway, we seen this, but still, okay. And operator. The second one, or operation, or operation. Next,
Sir, bitwise operators I can hear, sir.
yes, this comes under here only. I will show you. Okay, two, three different shift operations we seen or not. Shift operations done or not. If done, then
Bitwise,
I will skip this one. We will proceed to next topic. This is negation or not operator. Okay. Then this one is a fourth one is a XOR. Okay. XOR is a cap operator. And sixth key the cap is there in a number 6 in keyboard. Okay. Next, the fifth one is a right shift. Okay. The sixth one is a left shift. It's completed or not? Bitwise operator. This topic is completed. If completed, then I will skip this one and we will proceed further topic. Okay, bitwise and okay, bitwise and control C, bitwise or okay, bitwise not okay, bitwise XR okay, and this one bitwise right shift okay, this is bitwise left shift. Got it, guys? Bitwise left shift. Now, we will go one by one. I will not take much time. It will be very less only. A is equal to okay. Robin joined again. Oh, okay, no issue. Okay. Now A is equal to okay. A is equal to 10. I am taking okay. 10 bitwise of binary. This one okay. Binary number is 1010 guys. Okay. Binary number is 1010. Okay. Anyway, one is not required. Okay. Next B is equal to B is equal to 2. Okay, b is equal to the binary number is double
zero.
zero one zero. Okay, 0010 is a binary number. Now I am doing a okay, print a and b. Okay, a and b. When we are doing this and operation, if both ones are there, means both inputs are true, then only we will get as a output true. Otherwise, we will get a false.
False.
So in this case, only at the second position, here is one and here is one. So we
False.
will get a one, remaining all are zero. So indirectly my number is 0010. So output is a two. Got it, guys? Anyone having any doubt?
Mm.
Okay. Otherwise, I will paste this one here. Control C, Control V, Control R. Okay. Anyone having any doubt with the AND operation? No. Now we are going with the OR operation. Control C, Control V. Now, in a OR operation, okay, in a OR operation, if any one input is true, the output is
Yes.
the resultant output is a true. So in my case, there is a one in the fourth place, okay, and there is a one in a this place, okay, second place. So the output is 1010. So the final output is something like a 10. Okay, the final output is a 10. Got it, guys? Now bitwise not operation. If you are giving one number, okay, if you are giving one number, it will give opposite number of that. Okay, indirectly most of the time it will give like a negation. Okay, negation number. I will show you anyway. Bitwise not. So I am taking this number a. Okay, a is equal to 1010 binary number. Now I want a negation of a. Okay, print negation of a. Negation of a. What it will do, guys? Okay, in a binary format, 1010. Okay, 1010. Then plus one. Okay, plus one. It will be like a here. It will be minus format. Okay, minus. So minus of, okay, minus of 1010. So it will be like a 1011. Okay, the output is 1011. Now minus 101011, decimal number is 11. Okay, the decimal number is 11. Okay, here I am writing for comments. Okay, decimal number, it is not 1 1, guys, it is a decimal number 11. Okay, decimal number 11. Now my output, the final output is minus 11. Okay, my final output is this one only, but anyway I am showing like this. Okay, now observe the output. Got it, guys? Okay, this
minus
is
11.
about bitwise not. Okay, bitwise not. If we are going for bitwise XOR, okay, bitwise XOR, I'm taking this example only. Control C. Anyway, you seen truth tables, right? So what happened? Okay, what happened if we are taking this one? Okay, XOR. If both inputs are true or both inputs are false, okay, in that case it will give false. If one input is true and one input is a false, that case it will give true. Okay, it will give true. So now if we observe, this one is a one we will get here, and here two inputs are,
ఆపరేట్ చెప్పండి మళ్ళీ
sorry,
ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ చెప్పరా
which one?
ఇదే సార్ బిట్ వైజ్
XOR. You want XOR or bitwise not?
ఎక్సర్
Okay, okay, wait. Okay, XOR, in a XOR truth table. Okay, XOR truth table, A, B, output. Okay, true, 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 false. Okay, false, true, false, false. Okay, tell me XOR output. This is something like false. Okay, this is true, this is true, this is false. Okay, this is XOR output. So in our case, what number I took? Okay, one is 10 and one is 2. Okay, 10 binary number is 1010. Okay, 10 binary number is a 1010. Okay, now binary number of 2 is double
జీరో
zero one zero. Okay, double zero one zero. So in this case, 2 output. So anyway, it is like a 0 only. Okay, and two inputs are 1. It is like a 0 only. Next, two inputs are 0. So this is like a 0 only. But one input is 1 and other one is a 0. So 1. So 1300 stands for 8. Okay, 1300 stands for 8. Now we will observe the output. Got it?
ఎయిట్
Okay, this is about XOR operation. Now right shift. Okay, right shift. Give me a minute. I'm clearing this. Now, what is mean by right shift is if you are having any binary number, okay, if you are having any binary number, suppose I am taking, initially I am taking two number, the binary side is double zero one zero, okay, double zero one zero. When you are doing right shift, okay, right shift, okay, right shift, what will happen, one more zero added here, okay, one zero added here, and zero will be forwarded to here, okay, this zero comes here, okay, this one goes here, and this last zero will goes out, okay, this last zero go out. Now the final output is 0 0
0.
0 1. That is something like the decimal number is 1, the decimal number is 1 for this one. Now I am having one more number, something like a 4, okay, I am taking one more number, double zero,
1
something
0
one
0.
0 1 double zero, right?
Yes.
This is my 4 binary number. Now I am right shifting one time, okay, I am right shifting one time. So what will happen, here extra zero will come, okay, here extra zero will come, this zero goes here, okay, this one goes here, and this zero goes here, and this last zero will goes outside, okay. If I do one time shifting, okay, if I do one time shifting, if I do two time shifting, okay, two time shifting, so what happens, already one time shift is done, the second time output is, okay, after one time shifting, what is my output, 0 0 1 0, okay, this is my one time shift after output. Oh, so the decimal number is 2, okay, the decimal number is 2. If I am doing shifting second time, okay, shift with 2 times, so then one more extra zero added here, and this zero goes here, and this zero goes here, and this one goes here, okay. So now my output is 0 0 0 1, okay. If I am doing second time shift, okay, second time shift, what is my decimal output is 1, okay, my decimal output is 1. Now if I am shifting three times, okay, if I am shifting three times, so what will happen, this zero goes here, this zero goes here, this zero goes here, one will be goes complete out. So what is my final output, 0 0 0 0. So four zeros, the decimal number is 0. The decimal number is 0, guys. Got it? So how many times you are right shifting, the number value will be decreased. Okay, the number value will be decreased. So for same, for like left shift also same. Okay, but the shift will be happen this side. Okay. Now I am clearing this. Anyone having doubt in this? If not, I am erasing this. No, right? Okay, otherwise we will go with this one, then after we will come to left shift. Okay, now right shift, what I am doing, what is the number initially I took? 2 I took. Okay, so now something like a b is equal to 2. Okay, b is equal to 2, print, okay, print b, okay, how many times? B shifting one time, okay, how many times I am shifting? One time only I am shifting. Observe the output, it is 1. That's what we discussed, right? It will be 1, okay, one time if you right shift, okay. Then one more example, b is equal to 4, b is equal to 4, okay. If I am shifting one time, okay, if I am shifting one time, what is my value, what is my value, it will be like a 2, okay, one time shift, then value will be 2. Observe the output, value is a 2, okay. If I am shifting two times, okay, if I am shifting two times, okay, two times, now you need to write a 2 here. How many times you want, that you need to write here. Now observe the output, it's like a 1, okay. If you shift two times, the output is 1. If you shift three times, okay, if you shift three times, control C, okay. These all are one more example, don't consider like a, these all are one by one I am doing. So three times if I shift, okay, three times if I shift, what is output, output is like a 0. Okay, after that if you are shifting 100 times also, my output is 0 only. Okay, if you are shifting 100 times also, 10 times also, 20 times also, it will be 0 only. Observe the output, guys. Okay, it will be 0 only. Why? Because already all zeros are there. If you are shifting zeros, there is a no like no output. Got it? And this is about a right shift. Okay, this is about right shift. Now we will observe left shift. Now we will go with the left shift, delete. Okay, left shift also I am taking example as a 2. Okay, 2 binary format is a 0010. Okay, 0010 is a my binary format. Okay, now I want to shift left. Okay, by one time I want to shift. So one more extra zero added here. Okay, one more extra zero added here. This zero goes here. Okay, this one goes here. Okay, and this zero goes here, this zero goes this side. Okay, this is about a left shifting. Previously it is happening right side, now it will happen left side. So the output is 0100. Okay, the decimal format is 4. This is one time shift. This is one time shift. If I am shifting two times, okay, if I am shifting two times, then the output will be like this. The extra zero will be added here. Okay, this zero will goes here. Okay, this zero goes here. Okay, this one goes here, and this zero goes to this particular place. Now what is my final output? Like a 1 0 0 0. So the output for this one in a decimal format is 8 number. So little observe here, when you are doing left shift, okay, when you are doing left shift, your number will increase. Okay, when you are doing right shift, your number will be decreased. Okay, so we will try this in coding. Which number we took? Two number, right? So this one, control C. You can try with a different example. Don't take these numbers only. Okay, now left shift, arrows will be left. Okay, or lesser than symbol. Okay, now one time if I am shifting, output is 4. Okay, now control C. If I am shifting two times, okay, if I am shifting two times, my output is 8. Okay, if I am shifting three times, my output will be around 16. Okay, three times 16. Okay, like this the number will increase. See, 0 4 8 16. If you are doing left shift 100 times, okay, 100 times, the number will change tremendously, guys. Okay, the number will increase more and more. Okay, like 10 only I am taking. Okay, 10 only I am taking. Now observe the output. So this one, if I am taking 100, see, okay, this much bigger values you will get. So little careful with the left shift and right shift. Okay, if you are doing right shift, you will get all output as a zero only. So need to take care of there. And if you are left shifting, okay, here your number will change very differently. So you need to observe here also. Got it? Anyone having any doubt? If not, then I will goes to next this one next session. Okay, here control yes. Now the next topic is strings and types. Okay, strings and types, and here we are taking different strings, how to take, and how to take the input, and what is the raw input and normal input, the control statement. So we will go with the single line comments, multiple line comments, and a doc string. Okay, then after we will stop the session. Okay, now control N. Okay, control N, control 4. Okay, control 4. Here comments. Okay, comments. First one is there are mainly two types of comments. Okay, mainly two types of comments. One is a single line comments. Okay, single line comments. The second one is multi line comments. Multi line comments. Multi line comments. So first of all, single line comments. Single line comments. We will indicate or we will show or we will represent. Okay, we will represent with the hash mark. Okay, this symbol, remember this symbol. Okay, suppose like I want this is okay, this is testing single line comments. Okay, before that a is equal to a is equal to 10. Okay, a is equal to 10. Print a. So what happens? Okay, what happens? Cursor or something like Python interpreter will not check for this line. Okay, Python interpreter will ignore this particular line. That is what a comment. Okay, so it will not look for this line when you are writing as symbol in front of any line. Okay, in front of any line it will take it as a comment, guys. Okay, so Python interpreter will not read this line. Okay, it will ignore this line. Now observe the output. It is given directly 10. It is not showing anything. Okay, if you write something in a print also. Okay, print. Okay,
Actually,
print.
consider something.
This will not read. Okay, this will not read. See, only 10. If you are uncommenting this one, so it will read. Okay, this is testing single line comments. Okay, so when you are giving hashtag symbol, okay, asterisk mark, no, not asterisk, this is like a this one symbol. Okay, it will not read that particular line. Okay, like that, how many lines you want to comment, that many lines you can comment with the single line comments. Okay, single line comment like this. I'm writing one more line. Okay, this is yet another test. Okay, this is yet another test. Now observe the output. So
Then
you got the output as 10 only. Okay, like this, how many lines you want to comment, that many lines you can comment. Okay, but why we require this comment? Okay, what is the use of this comment? Something like you are writing the code. Okay, you are writing the code. Sometime,
what?
okay, sometime later the new joiner will join or some other developer will come and join, or your code will be given to your clients. Okay, that time they will not understand what a is. Okay, what a is or what is this program for. Okay, or who written this code. Okay, like that if you want to write some information you can't write directly like a is my variable. Okay, you can't write like this. Why? Because if you are compiling this, okay, if you are compiling this you will get error. Okay, you will get error. But if you give this,
From
okay, a is variable, so the other person will understand very clearly a is my variable. Okay, he is taking some variable, so that he will understand something like if you are writing. Okay, Chakravarti. Okay, Chakra. Okay, Chakradhar I am taking Chakradhar. Now, the person who is reading this line, who is this Chakradhar? He don't aware. But if I am telling like
intangible things.
Chakradhar is my variable, okay, Chakradhar is my variable. So the opposite person will understand. Okay, something like he is naming like a Chakradhar. Got it? So don't write like this, but still I am telling what is the use of comment. Okay. Now, now how to use comments? Okay. See something like a is here we are writing. Okay, Chakra there is my variable, but I don't want like this. Then you can write in one more way. A is equal to
Chakra.
okay. A is equal to 10. Okay, this is my variable. Okay, this is my variable. Like this also you can write. Now observe the output. Print. This is testing comma a. Okay. See, after this also I am writing this is a variable print. Now observe the output. It will not do any other action. Okay, it will not do any other action. Why print came? Where is it print? Single line comment multi-line. Okay. Now here observe the output F9. Okay. This is related to this code only, not this is separate output. So this is our output. Okay, this is our output. Got it right? If you want to write, you can write here also. So this will be little good. Okay, this will a little good. Don't write like this. Okay, better if you are indicating variables, mention like this. Okay. Now this is about single line comments. If you are going for multi line comments, okay, multi line comments. Okay, if you are writing block of code, okay, if you are writing something like a block of code, the multi-line comments, okay, multi-line comments will be very helpful to comment that particular block. Okay, that particular block, if you want to comment, you can use a multi-line comments. Why? Because if you are having 100 lines of code, okay, if you are going with this symbol, okay, this symbol, what will happen whenever you are removing those symbols? Okay, it will take at least 1 second for each. 100 seconds you need to waste. Okay, but what will happen with the multi-line comments? Observe now. Okay, multi-line comments will be indicated as single quotes, double quotes free at the start position. Okay, start start position and at the end position. Okay, you need to use like these guys. Okay, like this. Got it right? Now observe the output. I want to comment these all lines. Okay, I want to comment these all lines. Okay, this is something like my small block. Okay, now
I think it's
go with
both.
this one. Okay,
Mm.
compiler will not compile these lines. Okay, compiler will not compile this line. Okay, here it is showing like a different output wise, but generally it will not compile. Okay, generally it will not compile. Sir, this one spider ID is showing what you compiled, but generally it will not show. Okay, now this is a one way. This is a one way, and now observe three single quotes. Okay, at the starting position and at the ending position. Okay, if you are compiling like this, control yes, cursor will not consider these lines. Okay, cursor will not consider these lines. Now what is the use of comments? Okay, you can write who is the developer. If you observe at the top, they given, okay, who created, when created, who is the author, what is the program for. Okay, because if the next developer don't aware of your code, Okay, what you written, what is that function for, what is the class for. Okay, actually what you are trying to do in that particular file, they don't aware. Okay, they don't aware. Because of that reason only, comments will help the next developer, or after 10 years if you are also seeing, that will clearly shows that this program for this particular use, like that comments will help. Got it guys? Anyone having any doubt?
లాఫింగ్ ఉన్నావు అసలు.
Hello. Yeah, this is about single line comments and multi line comments. There is a one more thing called a doc string. Okay, doc string, doc string. So doc string stands for documentation string. Okay, documentation string. Why we use this? This is something like a similar to comments only, similar to comments only, but we will mention this in functions and classes. Okay, we will use this for functions and classes. Classes we will use this. We will use this. Now something like I am writing functions def doc test. Okay, doc test. It is a testing of doc string. Okay, doc string. A is equal to A is equal to 10. Print A. I will tell the functions guys, don't worry. Now observe the code only. Okay, doc test. No, this is like a function definition. This is something like a function call. Okay, now observe the output. Sorry, that. Okay, I got 10 as a output. Okay, 10 as a output. Now, if I want this string, okay, if I want this string, or if I want this comments, okay, if I want this comment, I will not get generally. Okay, I will not get generally, but in a functions and in a classes, you will get this doc string. Okay, something like what is my function name? Doc test. Okay, doc test, test dot
ఏ
underscore underscore. Okay, underscore underscore doc underscore underscore. Okay, this one. Okay, now, okay, wait. I got my documentation string. Okay, I got my documentation string. Whatever you want to write, something like I will show you one more example. Just give me a second. Control C. Okay, here I am writing. Okay, here I am writing. Uh, okay, calc test. Okay, calc test. So here I will write. Here I will write. This is a function. Okay, this is a function developed for some addition. Okay, addition, multiplication, and division. Okay, division operation, and many other math operations. Okay, got it guys? Okay, like this n number of lines you can write, there is no issue. Now control yes. See what I am doing, I wrote a calc test. Okay, Anyway, little name also I am understanding. Okay, little name also I am understanding. But if my code, okay, inside my function there is 100 lines or 200, 500 lines, then I need not to go for entire my function code. Okay, my function block. So here you can directly understand by using this docstring. Okay, by using docstring you will understand what is the use of this particular function. Now observe the output. Okay, why the same string it is showing? Control yes. Okay, I need to change this function.
There is a defined class,
Sorry,
that define
definition. It's a keyword.
okay, definition person class, okay.
I will tell you. Don't worry. Now observe the output. Now I got all this doc string, right? If some guy writing the code, okay, some guy writing the code, you don't go for entire program to understand. Okay, don't understand entire program. You can read the doc string so that you will understand. Okay, what is the main use of that particular function. Got it? I will show you few doc strings. Yeah, doc string images. Okay, here is it visible? Not visible. Okay, something like here he not mentioned. Okay, where he mentioned. Okay, wait. Yeah, see this one. This much big. Okay, launch program. The function name is what? Launch program. Here how it is writing? He written this much bigger doc string. Okay, so that the opposite person will understand what is the arguments need to pass. Okay, what is the return types if there is any return type. Okay, like that. Observe here, too many attempts, so for that doc string is determines if message exceeded maximum number of retries. Okay, so like this a doc string will be mentioned clear cut of that particular function. Okay, anyway we will discuss this on when functions topics comes now, that time we will discuss. Time being you understood about a doc string. Okay, what docstring will do? Docstring will represent what is the represented here. Okay, and one monkey fellow is there. Okay, one monkey fellow is there. What he done? Okay, I will write the code here. Okay,
It is called as a
control
sir
control
C
C.
L I L C.
See,
Sir define C L C and then sir sala
it's like a one word calculator,
calculate.
calculation, like that I wrote. Okay, don't stick with these names. I will tell you when functions topic come now. I will tell you. Okay. Now, see, this one is somewhere in the middle. Okay, somewhere in the middle, not here. Okay, not here. Now observe the output. What is that? None. Okay, none. Here you observe. Here it is showing like all the docstring. Okay, here it is showing like all the docstring, but here it is not showing the docstring because of monkey fellow or some other thing. Guys, when you are writing at the start of this function, okay, then only it will considered as a docstring. If you are writing somewhere in the middle, okay, somewhere in the middle, it will understand like a comment. Okay, it will understand like a comment. So better give after this function. Okay, function definition line, you give a docstring. If you are writing somewhere in the middle, it will not be considered as a docstring. Understood, right? Okay, I'm mentioning like a not a dog string. Got it right? After some variable or after some prints, if you are writing, it will not be considered as a dog string. It will be like a comments for your understanding purpose. Control yes. Now see, it is not printing anything. It will printing none. Got it? Anyone having any doubt? Yeah. Till now we completed up to this doc string. We will continue the remaining topics tomorrow. Okay. Anyone having any doubt? Otherwise, we will stop the session here.